What do I use to sharpen my blades? Let's check it out. Micah with Lawn Dude here, going over my blade sharpening station. I have the Bradley, I think it's the 105 blade sharpener. It's decent. I have thought about switching to the RBG, but this one gets the job done pretty well. Basically, I have the angles here. You can angle it, but I found right here it works out all right. Let me try one of these mini blades I gotta sharpen. Basically, you just line up like that, like so. And then you just go along and you sharpen it. I find that I kind of have to lift it a tad bit. That's why I don't like using this so much. And then within a year, I've already had this like unevenly wear where I had to order another one. Wasn't a big deal, about $50 part. You can see there's some sharpened blades I have. Here's blades I've had here all winter that I'll probably get to this week, getting ready for the mowing season. I change my blades every week, or at least I try to, just to keep them nice and sharp. You can see my whole workstation. I got all my different oils. The beauty of having so much equipment and, you know, 2 trucks that take 2 different types of oils is you always have different types of oils. Antifreeze for the tractor, heat. Got the Kubota oil right here, some Steiner because I love keeping my stuff clean. Got some Sta-Bil. Got the battery, got corrosion preventer. You got the, well, we already went on the antifreeze for the tractor for the Kubota. That's the Kubota oil. And then right there is 1030 for my Kawasaki engines I still have. The orange, gotta have it to keep stuff, keep your hands clean. Got 20W50, 2 jugs of that. Use that for the hydros on the Bradleys. It didn't have my foam and stuff for cleaning everything. And then up here have the, good Lord, the Milwaukee charger. And I have a gauge over there for my valves, a filler gauge, clipboard for my maintenance because I'm big on maintenance. All right, my station isn't as neat as I usually like it. I usually prefer the station to be a little neater. You can see down here, I do have my my neutralizer for when we spray the trucks and equipment after a snow event. And then right here, I have a chainsaw sharpener, which to be honest with you, I like never use. Usually it's easier just to get another chain, but I'm gonna try to start using that more. I mean, utilize what I have. I keep this grinder for the jacked up, like all the way bad blades. And I basically grind it all the way down and then I put it on the Bradley. I have miscellaneous tools here. There's a light that came out the Kubota that snapped off. This is my little work desk though. So basically, I have a chainsaw here that's being worked on. You see the carb and everything is off. Again, I do all my own work, all my own maintenance. This is way messier than I usually like it. I love organization. So if you think this is clean and organized, this is nothing like how I usually have it. And one of the most important additions that we made this year is we made the purchase on the ultrasonic so we can clean all our own carbs. That's definitely a game changer. And as you see, I got one jack here, I got another jack behind it, got my snap-on impact back here. But really, I just wanted to show my little maintenance area right here. This is the second part of my maintenance area. You've already seen one part of it when I was doing my equipment video. You can see I got my welding station over here, Got my tools up in here for like power tools, various extra grease for the grease gun. This shelf right here is for like all my Harley oils, transmission, clutch, fluids, some tools specifically for my Harley. Bottom shelves where I got like extra, like I got paints, little spray paints and stuff for when you weld and whatnot. I got extra wheels, tires, front tires for the Bradley. You can see my grinders right there out of place. I'm big on stuff being in one spot, and that's not where that should be. Either way, that's the engine lift right there. And you got the ramps for maintenance. And then of course it's my chemical section. That's in the other video. This is usually my maintenance area. I do at some point plan to put a Harley table in here, little a lift table. So basically it won't just be for the motorcycle. I can put stuff like this Permagreen up on that table and lift it up so it's eye level instead of having to get on the ground. But this is my current project. As you see, there's no engine in that. To do anything with these Permagreens, you basically got to pull the whole entire engine. And then I'm the type, if I'm pulling the engine, I'm going to do whatever needs to be done. So I'll clean that out. Have the engine right here. You see I took the, it was just to replace a field line and the springs. And when you do that and you see how rusted, matter of fact, I got it right here. You see how rusted this cover is because of the chemical? I prefer to just go ahead and get a new cover for that, new recoil, new gas tank, because the one I had on here is completely rusted as well. Gonna do that and then slap it right back in there and have a machine good and ready to go. Just the way we do things here. All right, that's my maintenance station. Take it easy. Peace.